And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can add overlays to your videos. I use this footage. And here we have an overlay video. It's this typical video dirt. I've linked to both in the video description. You can just left click, drag and reposition that. You want to have it on two separate video channels and the overlay should be on top. You can see that it's not as long as my footage, so we have two options. We either copy paste this overlay and I reposition that, and now I use the split tool. You can press B for that, and I cut it here, then I press A for the select tool and I press the delete key to get rid of this exceeding part. Or we can just cut our footage. Once again I use B and the select tool, short key is A. That's what we need. Now make sure that you've got the overlay clip selected in the timeline. It should be highlighted. If not, left click on it. And then we want to use the blend options. You can find them when you've got the default layout active under video, basic. And then you want to open the drop down for blend and check it. So the box needs to be active. You can use the opacity, but we want to use the blending mode first. In our case, it makes sense to use green as it filters out the black parts and it leaves us with these white video snow, video dirt effects. But you can try the other ones, but keep in mind they're going to mess with the original colors, especially the brightness of our footage. For the most part, you want to have screen, especially when you want to filter out the black parts. And then additionally, you can go down a little bit with the opacity. And that's basically all there is. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.